Cloud Native Valencia brings together practitioners who build, operate, and contribute to cloud-native technologies. We meet quarterly to share real production experiences, learn from each other's successes and failures, and strengthen the local ecosystem. This is a CNCF-backed community group. No barriers, no sales pitches, just practical knowledge from people doing the work. You'll connect with Kubernetes admins, platform engineers, SREs, and open source contributors shaping infrastructure across Spain. For practitioners, learn from production war stories, discover new tools and patterns, and find people solving the same challenges you face. For companies, send your engineers. They'll return with fresh perspectives, connections, and contributions to the ecosystem you depend on. For speakers, share your experience. Your production lessons, architecture decisions, and failures matter more than polished slides. For learners, start here. We welcome enthusiasts ready to dive into cloud-native technologies with hands-on practitioners. Cloud Native Valencia is where learning happens through conversation, trust builds through collaboration, and community strengthens modern infrastructure. Join us in person. Find us at cloudnativevalencia.com.